Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let us learn how to code lesion excision. This is an important topic in the CPT Integumentary system. Let's start. Before that, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. First, let us start by knowing what is a lesion. A region in an organ or tissue which has suffered damage through injury or disease such as a wound, ulcer, abscess or tumor. So this is the definition for lesion. And what is excision? Excision is defined as full thickness removal of a lesion including margins and includes simple non-layered closure when performed. It means that it includes simple repair when performed. Next, let us look at the steps to code lesion excision. We'll start with the step 1. That is, we have to check the type of lesion, whether it is benign or malignant. In the operative report, if they have given neoplasm, cicatricial, fibrous, inflammatory, congenital or cystic lesions, then you have to understand that it is a benign lesion. If they have given basal cell carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma or melanoma, then you have to understand it is malignant lesion. All these terms are given in the CPT manual under lesion excision. Please highlight them. So we studied the step 1, that is checking the type of lesion, benign or malignant. Next, let us go to step 2. Step 2 is knowing the location of the lesion. You need to know the anatomic location from which the lesion is excised to determine proper coding. There are specific codes for different anatomical locations. So we have to check the anatomical location in the operative report. Step 3 is size of the lesion. We have to find out the size of the lesion. For that, there is a formula, that is excised diameter is equal to greatest clinical diameter of the lesion plus narrowest margin multiplied twice. For example, if a lesion measures 1.5 cm at its widest point and the narrowest margin is 1 cm, the excised diameter will be 1.5 cm, that is greatest clinical diameter, because they have given lesion measures 1.5 cm at its widest point. Therefore, it is the greatest clinical diameter. Therefore, 1.5 cm plus we have to multiply narrowest margin twice. Here the narrowest margin is 1 cm. Therefore, 2 into 1 cm is equal to 2 centimeters. Therefore, 1.5 plus 2 is 3.5 centimeter. So this is how we calculate the total excised diameter. Here there is another example, that is measuring and coding the removal of lesion. So here there is excision of malignant lesion. You can see the lesion diameter is 0.2 centimeter and the margin is 0.1 centimeter. According to the formula, excised diameter is equal to greatest clinical diameter of the lesion plus 2 into narrowest margin. Therefore, here the diameter is 0.2 centimeter plus 2 into narrowest margin, that is 0.1 centimeter is 0.2 centimeter. Therefore, the excised diameter will be 0.4 centimeter. I hope you are clear with it. So we are done with step 3, that is calculating the size of the lesion. Next, we'll go to step 4, that is bundle simple repairs with excision. It means that lesion excision codes, that is benign and malignant lesion excision codes, include simple wound closure, and intermediate and complex repair need to be coded separately with lesion excision codes. Please take a note that simple repairs are included with lesion excision, but intermediate and complex repair are not included with lesion excision and you have to code it separately. So we are done with step 4. Next is step 5. Report each lesion separately. When the physician excises multiple lesions, code each lesion separately. When coding for multiple excision, you should append modifier 59, which is distinct procedural service, to the second and all subsequent codes describing lesion excision in the same anatomical location. Please take a note of this. We are done with step 5. So In this video, I explained 5 steps to code lesion excision. By using these 5 steps, you can code lesion excision very easily. Lastly, we'll look at an example. Imagine you have a skin lesion with the greatest clinical diameter of 2.5 cm. The dermatologist recommends a margin of 0.5 cm on either side of the lesion for safety and complete removal. So, let's try to calculate. The formula is excised diameter is equal to greatest clinical diameter plus 2 into narrowest margin. So here the greatest clinical diameter is 2.5 cm plus 2 into narrowest margin, that is 0.5 cm. Total it will be 3.5 cm. Therefore, in this case, the total excised diameter would be 3.5 cm, ensuring both the lesion and adequate margins are removed. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more important CPT topics and also information related to CPC exam and medical coding.